Boys, I am so gassed. I'm out of shape. I do apologize. I've been just at home eating snacks. Oh shit!
Got a little gnarly.
Did you see that crash?
Yeah.
Well, it wasn't a crash, but almost was.
Gnarly.
My tire spun coming out of the turn, so I jabbed the brakes because I wasn't gonna make it. And then my bike stalled because I didn't pull the clutch in. Oh shit. Definitely just smacked my face off the bar pad. Alright, we're done.